box looks like. That comes in the mail. And so I sent them the pictures. Okay, so here are all the beads that come with it. My tools. Ooh. Okay. So, let's see what picture we got here. And this is not all gonna fit. Oh, of my sweet pup. Okay. So, this is it has, if you can see, all of the numbers that we're going to be using and the letters to put these on. And here's my color list here of what they actually go to. So I'm gonna work in sections and just peel some up and then go through here. And this is going to take a long time. That's something nice that I can work on when I'm watching TV or sitting and relaxing. Blinging can take a long time, but there is something relaxing about it. So, and this is a super big one that I got. So, here are the directions again. We have all my symbols and my numbers and even the weight and the quantity of everything that was included in here with each of these. So let's look, and we're gonna start down around here. There's a lot of C's. So my C's, okay, the symbol on here for, let's get into the alphabet, the C right here is, the ID is 498. So I'm gonna go in and right here, find 498, and it's the 5.7 even has. So I'm gonna dump some of these in here. Okay, so this is our wax. So I'm gonna peel back a little bit of the wax here. This is my round end of my pen. I'm going to dip that in the wax. And that's how it gets sticky. It kind of pulls the whole thing up there. And then when I go to dip it on here, it holds it like that. Okay, so then when I start and pull back a little bit of here, again, I'm doing the C's. So when I find a C, I'm gonna stick that in place. So again, I'm just gonna keep doing that. So it's nice that you don't have to keep putting glue on it, as we did in our tumblers and other things that we bling. And anytime that it stops getting a little bit less sticky, I'm just gonna put some more glue on it. I mean, some more wax on it. Okay, so you can see with these big pictures how long this is gonna take. So, and that's the basic of how you do it, and just gonna keep going. Again, probably while I sit and watch TV instead of playing with my phone. This is a nice and relaxing thing to do. And I don't have to worry about where everything goes. It's right there for me. Okay, so I've been working on this for a couple weeks. And as I mentioned, it's gonna take me a super long time. This is really big. So, but it's nice to just kind of sit while I'm watching TV and doing it. So I've only, And the kit also comes with these little sheets that you can cover up the sticky part as you remove this, or you can remove the film all at one time and place the stickies all over. I'm just leaving the film on it for now. But I've just been working on this section over here, so you can see all of this is done over here. And I just keep going through, and you can either use, again, the sheet that has the numbers and the corresponding letters and symbols, or it's also all written on the side of these. And my next one, I was getting into the number 5. So as you can see here, my number 5 goes to 310, and which is the black one, which is the biggest one. So you can see here, some of them will even say the 5 and then the 310, and it gives me the weight. So I just dump a little bit out on this container that it came with. And then when you shake the container, kind of go side to side, it will, some of them, it will make the stones go right side up. So, because you want to pick on the rounded side up, that flat side is going to go on the bottom. And then just using our little tool here, and if we need more of the stuff in it, I just take the end and push it in there, and I got more of that sticky stuff. So now you're just gonna click on it and then just keep going. So easy but tedious to do, so it's a great kind of relaxing stress reliever. Again, especially if you're like sick or stuck in a bed or on the couch for a long period of time, you can just keep going. Again, this is a really big one. I probably would not get this big a one again. The smaller ones definitely would go much quicker. And I have all the information below on where you can get one, and those are my 2 pups. Okay, so anyway, thanks for stopping by and happy crafting.